Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4, a compact SUV that continues to raise the bar with a bold redesign, versatile performance options, cutting-edge technology, and Toyota's legendary reliability, making it one of the most attractive choices in its class. From the outside, the 2026 RAV4 features a refreshed, more aggressive look with a redesigned front grille, sleek LED headlights, vertical air intakes, and sculpted lines that give it a sportier and more premium presence, whether you're navigating city streets or heading off the beaten path. The exterior of the 2026 Toyota RAV4 has been thoughtfully refreshed to deliver a more assertive, modern, and rugged presence on the road, while still maintaining the clean lines and practical proportions that have made it such a popular choice among compact SUV buyers. The front fascia now features a redesigned grille that's bolder and more angular, flanked by sleeker, sharper LED headlights with a new signature daytime running light pattern that adds to its visual appeal. The rear design has been refined as well, with slimmer LED taillights, a sculpted tailgate, and a new lower bumper design that integrates seamlessly with the overall look. Interior design. Step inside the 2026 Toyota RAV4 and you're immediately greeted with a cabin that feels more premium, spacious, and high-tech than ever before. Toyota has elevated the interior design with soft-touch materials on key touchpoints, refined stitching along the dashboard and seats, and brushed aluminum or wood-style trim depending on the model, creating an upscale environment that rivals some luxury competitors. The centerpiece of the cabin is the impressive new 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, now available on most trims, featuring a sleek, user-friendly interface and support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just behind the wheel sits a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that can be customized to display navigation, driver assistance alerts, fuel economy stats, and more, allowing the driver to stay informed without distraction. Higher trims offer thoughtful upgrades like a 10-inch head-up display, a Qi wireless phone charger, and a JBL premium audio system that delivers crystal-clear sound throughout the cabin. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 offers a versatile lineup of powertrains designed to meet the needs of every type of driver, from daily commuters to eco-conscious travelers and performance seekers. The standard engine is a reliable 2.5-liter four-cylinder that produces 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifts and responsive acceleration, making it ideal for city driving and highway cruising alike. For those prioritizing fuel efficiency without sacrificing power, the RAV4 Hybrid is an excellent option. It combines the same 2.5-liter engine with dual electric motors to generate a combined 219 horsepower, while achieving an impressive EPA-estimated 41 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway, making it one of the most efficient compact SUVs on the market. For drivers who want the best of both worlds, power and sustainability, the RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid stands out with a significant performance boost in 2026, now delivering 325 horsepower and going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds, faster than many sports sedans. The Prime also offers up to 45 miles of electric range, making it perfect for short daily commutes on battery power alone, with the gas engine ready for longer trips. All models offer available all-wheel drive, with the hybrid and Prime versions using an electric rear motor for enhanced traction without the added weight of a drive shaft. The TRD off-road trim takes capability one step further, with a specially tuned suspension, all-terrain tires, multi-terrain select modes, and hill descent control, making it more than ready for light off-roading and adventurous weekend getaways. Whether you're seeking efficiency, performance, or capability, the 2026 RAV4's powertrain options deliver a well-rounded driving experience tailored to modern lifestyles. When it comes to safety, the 2026 RAV4 continues Toyota's legacy by offering one of the most comprehensive suites of standard and available safety features in its class. Every trim comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, an advanced collection of driver assistance technologies designed to protect occupants and help prevent accidents before they happen. This includes an enhanced pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, full-speed adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and the newly upgraded proactive driving assist that provides gentle steering and braking support in low-speed traffic and curved roads to help maintain safe distances. In addition to these standard features, higher trims or optional packages offer a blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, parking assist with automatic braking, and a 360-degree panoramic view monitor that gives drivers a bird's-eye view of their surroundings, especially helpful in tight urban parking situations. The RAV4 also offers a digital rear-view mirror that can switch between a traditional mirror and a wide-angle camera feed for enhanced rear visibility. Advanced airbag systems, a rigid body structure, and front and rear crumple zones provide strong passive safety as well. Whether you're navigating city traffic, cruising on the highway, or venturing into unknown terrain, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is engineered to give you and your passengers peace of mind every mile of the way. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 continues to prove why it's one of the most selling SUVs in the world by offering a well-rounded blend of modern design, versatile performance, advanced safety, smart technology, and long-lasting reliability. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient daily driver, a rugged weekend explorer, or a tech-savvy family hauler, the RAV4 has a trim and powertrain to suit your needs. With its updated styling, refined interior, multiple hybrid options, and Toyota's reputation for durability, the 2026 RAV4 isn't just keeping up with the competition, it's setting the standard. For drivers who value comfort, capability, and confidence on every journey, the RAV4 remains a smart, forward-thinking choice that delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching our full review of the 2026 Toyota RAV4. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth car reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know which RAV4 trim you'd choose: hybrid, prime, TRD off-road, or the classic gas-powered model. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.